how to configure white balance on Sony A7 IV. If you want to configure the white balance on Sony A7 IV, it is fairly simple for us to do so. Now what we do for this is, first of all, to configure white balance when we're on the recording screen like this, right? So make sure you're on the recording mode. You have to press this little FN button. So you can see right here, you can see this little FN button right there. So you press this FN button and you'll come here. And here on the left hand side, you can see a couple of options. You want to go to the one that says white balance right there. So let me just put this down, as this camera is quite heavy actually. So I'm sure you can see it from here also. Now here you can see white balance, you press OK, and here you can choose between different formats. So there's auto, there's daylight, shade, cloudy, there's incandescent, and there are other options that depending on what you want. You can set a custom white balance also, and you can just leave this like that. So this way you can go ahead and then basically change or configure your white balance on Sony A7 IV during the shooting. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.